Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most interesting months of the year, November. November has a very special feeling. It's the time when the air turns cooler, the leaves fall, and the days start to feel calmer and slower. It's also a month that reminds us that the year is almost over. A time to look back, reflect, and prepare for what's coming next. So, whether you love the cozy weather, the quiet mornings, or the excitement of upcoming holidays, November has something for everyone. Let's dive in and talk about what makes November so unique. Main body. The feel of November. When November begins, you can immediately feel the change in the air. The heat of summer is gone, and the cold of winter is just around the corner. The mornings are misty, the evenings arrive earlier, and the world seems to slow down a little. In many places, the trees are covered with shades of orange, yellow, and brown. The ground is full of fallen leaves, and every walk outside feels peaceful. The air smells fresh, and you might even notice people wearing sweaters, scarves, and jackets again. November feels like a calm pause before the celebrations of December. It's a month that invites you to think, rest, and enjoy the little things: a warm cup of tea, a quiet evening with family, or a walk under the cloudy sky. Talking about weather in November. Now, let's talk about the weather in November. In most parts of the world, November means cooler days and colder nights. The sun doesn't shine as long as it used to, and you can feel winter slowly arriving. In some countries, November brings light rain or fog in the mornings. The sky often looks soft and gray, but there's something peaceful about it. It's a great time to stay cozy indoors, read a book, or listen to some calm music. For others who live in warmer countries, November might still feel pleasant, not too hot, not too cold, the perfect balance before the year ends. November activities. November is also full of small but meaningful activities. Many people start preparing for the holidays that are just around the corner, like Christmas, New Year, or other local celebrations. It's a great month for outdoor walks, short trips, and spending time in nature. If you enjoy photography, November is the perfect month for capturing beautiful landscapes. The golden light, the fog, and the autumn colors make everything look magical. Some people like to use November to reflect on their goals. It's almost the end of the year, so it's a good time to think, what have I achieved this year? What do I still want to do? It's like a quiet moment to plan and prepare before stepping into a new year. For students and learners, November is also a good time to focus. There are fewer distractions, and the calm environment makes it easier to study, read, or learn something new, maybe even improve your English. Holidays and festivals. November is also known for some special festivals and celebrations around the world. For example, in the United States, people celebrate Thanksgiving, a day for expressing gratitude, sharing food, and spending time with family. In India, November often brings festivals like Diwali, the Festival of Lights, or Guru Nanak Jayanti. These celebrations fill the month with joy, lights, and togetherness. In many countries, November also includes remembrance days or national holidays that allow people to honor the past and look forward to the future. Everywhere you go, November feels like a mix of peace, reflection, and warmth. The mood of November. The mood of November is quite special. It's neither as busy as summer nor as festive as December. It sits right in the middle, calm and thoughtful. It's a month for gratitude, for looking at what we have, who we are, and what we've experienced throughout the year. It's a time to appreciate the people around us and to slow down before the rush of the new year begins. When you walk outside on a quiet November morning, you can feel the stillness in the air, a kind of quiet beauty that makes you feel grounded. Conclusion. So, November is not just another month, it's a moment in time when everything slows down a little and we get the chance to breathe, think, and appreciate life. It's a month of soft light, cool air, warm conversations, and peaceful days. As the year starts to come to an end, November reminds us to be thankful for what we have and for what we've learned. What about you? How do you like to spend your November? Do you enjoy the cool weather, the holidays, or the quiet moments? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your English with simple, natural conversations like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, enjoy the beauty of November.